The Thalipeeth women of Sangli, Aarti and Renuka, reside in the town of Bharatnagar, nestled within the picturesque Sangli district of Maharashtra. Their families collectively possess a group of 8 donkeys, which toil in the nearby brick kilns, servicing as a vital source of livelihood. Through their hard work, the donkeys sustain their owner's household and ensure a secure future for their families. However, the work of brick kilns is seasonal and is limited to a mere 6 to 7 months. Consequently, the equine owners find themselves struggling to cover household expenses during the off-brick kiln season, leaving them in dire need of alternative means to sustain their livelihoods. Aarti and Renuka are member of Om Ashwa Kalyan Mahila Bachat Gat, one of the women's equine welfare groups formed by Brook India in Sangli. The group saves Rs 300 every month and is linked with the National Rural Livelihood Mission. The linkage with the National Rural Livelihood Mission allows the women to access credit, opening doors to opportunities that elevate their economic prospects. As the brick kiln season came to a close, Aarti and Renuka were concerned about their family's sustenance. Despite having a few ideas, they lacked the confidence to venture into new territory and explore new avenues for income generation. The dedicated team from Brook India operating in Bharatnagar keenly observed the women's willingness to overcome their challenges. Eager to support them, they engaged in a thoughtful deliberations, exploring ideas and possibilities together. After a detailed discussion, a solution emerged. Aarti and Renuka's exceptional culinary skills would be put to use by preparing the Maharashtrian delicacy known as Thalipeeth. This spiced flatbread, crafted from wholesome flour, has become a popular and nutritious breakfast choice. The Women's Equine Welfare Group provided the initial support and lent them Rs 5,000 to purchase the required ingredients for the preparation of the dish. In the beginning, the women sold locally at festivities. People relished the taste of the dish and the demand for the Thalipeeth increased. Gradually, the women's culinary skills became popular and earned them a name. So far, the women have been able to earn a profit of Rs 3,000, which is expected to increase with the expansion of their market base. As the popularity of their culinary skills grows, Aarti and Renuka are hopeful of receiving more orders for the Thalipeeth in the future.
नमस्ते, माझं नाव आरती अमित थेमकर. मी भारतनगरमध्ये राहतो. आमच्या गटाचं नाव ओम अश्व महिला बचत गट आहे. आमच्याकडे 7 गाढवा आहेत. ब्रुक संस्था आमच्या संग 5 वर्ष झालं काम करते सर.
माझं नाव रेणुका पोपट गेजगे, राहणार कोल्हापूर रोड भारतनगर. बचत गटाचं नाव आमच्या ओम अश्व कल्याण आहे. माझ्याकडे 8 गाढवा आहेत. त्यांना कसं काय औषध द्यायचे, कसे काय करायचे ते सगळं सांगतात ब्रुक इंडिया संस्था. आणि परत सरकारी योजना काय असतील ते लेबर कार्ड किंवा कर्ज किंवा धंद्यासाठी काही असेल ना ते सगळं सांगतात आम्हाला. आम्ही थालीपीठ बनवतो सगळं आणि एक थालीपीठ करायला 10 ते 15 मिनिटं लागतात. आणि आम्ही ते ऑर्डर आली ना देतो. प्लेटमध्ये घालून देताना एक थालीपीठ देतो, परत चटणी, शेंगदाण्याची दही असं त्यांना देतो. सर्व करतो आम्ही, म्हणजे कस्टमर आले नंतर. आणि परत ऑर्डर पण घेतो आम्ही. फोनवरनं ऑर्डर येतात किंवा म्हणजे येऊन घरी येऊन सांगून जातात ऑर्डर अशी आमची घ्या, 10ची घ्या, 20ची घ्या, अशा ऑर्डर आल्यावर आम्ही पोस्ट करतो त्यांना नेऊन. ब्रुक इंडिया संस्थेमुळे ना आमच्यात खूप बदल झालेला आहे आणि त्यांच्यामुळे ना आमच्या जीवनात म्हणजे कल्याण झालेलं आहे. त्यांच्याबद्दल ना ब्रुक इंडियाला आमच्याकडून धन्यवाद.
As Aarti and Renuka, they trend on the path of progress. Brook India will continue to nurture their dreams by creating an ecosystem of support.